Okay guys, I'm gonna shoot a quick video of this 2006, which is, you know, the last year for the 4.0 Jeep Unlimited LJ. So Jeep Unlimited 06 4.0, 125,000 miles. I know it has almost brand new 6 brand new tires. Also, we know it has a locker in the front. I do not know if it has a locker in the rear. One would assume it has a locker in the rear because it has a locker in the front. Obviously, custom bumpers. The frame is excellent. The frame is in good shape. There is a little rust that was under the flares, but as you can see, the frame is fine back where they rust out of on the frame. The frame is good. The floors are good. The interior can use a little cleaning, but you can see the floors are good. The seats are actually in good shape. It's just dirty. It needs a good cleanup, and I'm not cleaning it up because it's what we're using for a daily right now. Has custom rear bumpers on it, swing out tire carrier. This side's got a little bit more rust underneath the flares. I put some POR 15 on it just to brush some on there, but as I said, the rear frame is in great shape, so you don't have to worry about any frame issues. It actually drives down the road very well for 35s. It's got decent power. The AC works. There's some dings in this side of the hood. I have not tried to kind of suck them out or beat them out a little bit because I really don't care. It's a Jeep, and it is a Jeep. It's been used as a Jeep, but it is a 6-speed manual, 125,000 mile. Everything works. The AC works, blows cold. Stereo works. Got an aftermarket stereo in it. Shift's good. No pop outs. Everybody knows that this year that 6-speed was a little bit known for pop outs. It's got aftermarket lights in it, LED lights, but just a cool little 2006 LJ that I'm gonna daily until I'm gonna do some fishing, and I'm gonna do a couple other things I want to do while I got it. Some of the property that we go to fish on and stuff is a little rougher terrain to get down there. Can't take the old cars down there, and I don't like taking my dually down there. So I'm going to use this thing. I have not buffed it. I'm not really going to clean it until it's sold, and I'm not going to, there's not a whole lot to do to it, but a little buffing would make it look a little better. And I'm going to make my mind up. I thought about just buying the correct rear flares and putting them back on there, but I also thought about buying that body armor that matches the front fenders to put on the rear fenders. So, but we're going to leave it at that. Like I said, it's as cleaned up as I'm cleaning it up for now. But the important stuff is that the seats are not torn. They're in actual good shape. Nothing's, damaged or messed up, just dirty, and everything works. Windows roll up nice, AC, defrost, shift's good, runs good, motor sounds good, has a new battery. It does have a new clutch and pressure plate in it also, or clutch throwout bearing, the clutch kit, whatever comes in the clutch kit. So there you go, 2006 LJ, last year for the 4.0. With good miles. So there you go. Thank you. Price will be in the still ad.